Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these stovetop barbecue baked beans with ground beef. So let's get into it. These are my ingredients, some of them at least. I have my baked beans, barbecue sauce, my peppers, my beef, my jalapeno, brown sugar. Ignore the water, that was water I was drinking, child. So this is my ground beef. I was touching the top because this beef looked so good. I thought it had the plastic film over it. So I had to make sure everything was still good to go. So you want to break down your beef. You don't have to use beef. You can use bacon. You can use sausage. But this is what I'm doing today. So once you break down your beef, you want to add your peppers, your onions, your garlic, and your celery, and your jalapeno. And then you're going to mix that up and allow it to cook as well as season it. Now, also, all of the ingredients I'm using today came from the Aldi supermarket except for the adobo. Every single thing that I'm using came from Aldi supermarket. I love Aldi's, y'all. It's my favorite place to shop. You get a good bargain. But anyway, you want to mix this up and allow it to cook down about 5 minutes. You want to get your vegetables to get nice and translucent. You can pop this in the oven if you want, if that's what you prefer. But it's the summertime, y'all. It's hot. I'm not trying to cut the oven on. Okay, so I'm going to add my mustard. I'm using Dijon because that's what I have. I'm using this random barbecue sauce that I found in Aldi supermarket, my brown sugar, and then I'm just going to mix that in. Next, I'm going to add my baked beans down in here, and you can use the brand you prefer. I got this from Aldi's as well. Next, I added a little water because I am cooking this on the stove top, so you want to add some moisture. Don't worry, it's going to cook it out. If you're putting this in the oven, you don't need water. Obviously, some people know that, but this is what it looks like, you guys, after about 35 minutes simmering on medium heat. Look how beautiful and thick and delicious these beans look. This goes well with chicken, your potato salad, your macaroni and cheese. You guys now know how to, fix it together for the holidays. It's great for Memorial Day. You can make it a day ahead or whatever. This was the plate of everything I made for the holiday weekend. I just kept it simple. It was only a couple of us, so I kept it simple. And this burger recipe is actually already out. So if you make this and you have an opinion, tag me, let me know what you think, comment below, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, y'all.